Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie bread. First, gather your dry ingredients, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, prepare your wet ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Finally, dice 2 medium-sized apples into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes, for even distribution in your bread. Now let's mix everything together. In a large bowl, whisk your dry ingredients thoroughly. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients until well blended. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, gently fold in your diced apples. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and smooth the top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your apple pie bread is golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean, remove it from the oven. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. While it cools, prepare a simple glaze by whisking 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled bread, then slice and enjoy your homemade treat. It's perfect for breakfast or dessert. To keep your apple pie bread fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, you can freeze individual slices for up to 1 month. Simply thaw and warm gently when you're ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.